Hello my besties, how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. And if we are just meeting, my name is Kathy. It's my DIY where we do a lot of fun projects on a budget. In today's video, I'm very excited to share with you all these gingerbread cutouts. We're gonna have so much fun creating these. So before we proceed, please make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any of my future videos. Okay, let's get started.
And if you are wondering about this adorable snowman that was behind me, I created it using the pumpkins and some Dollar Tree ornaments. You can look it up in this video. And in today's video, we're gonna need 2 gingerbread men cutouts and, of course, gingerbread house. In addition, we're gonna need some paints, and I love apple barrel paints from Walmart because they're only 50 cents a bottle, Mod Podge or spray adhesive, a piece of fabric that you can get from Dollar Tree. I'm not sure which one I'll be using, but gingham is so appropriate for the gingerbread man. You can also use scrapbook paper instead of the fabric, whatever you have. And some thin ribbon for trimmings. This one is from Target, but Dollar Tree also has plenty of ribbons. We start off by removing all those parts that are raised up. I don't feel like sanding these down, so I'm just gonna decorate the other side. I'm still gonna paint both sides. Okay, and I did 2 coats for a nice color. This is nutmeg brown. And with the house, there was some designs there on the front, but I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm decorating the reverse side because I'm gonna do my own thing anyway. One thing that I noticed right away is that the house is smaller than the man, and that's not right. So what I'm gonna do is just paint a couple popsicle sticks. So I'm gonna raise up the house later in my arrangement. Next, I paint all the parts that were raised up, and they're mostly white because gingerbread is icing, right? Well, the buttons we're gonna do red, and maybe the little reef on the door. How cute is that? Next, we're gonna size up the men for some pants, and then cut them out. Oh my goodness, look at this naughty bird!
Tweety, you troublemaker, no! Get out of here! What did you do? Look at all the footprints you left. Did you get in my paint?
She stepped on paint?
Yes. Bad birdie.
And then I see Coco run under the table. She stole something. Coco, what do you got? Give it back to me right now. Oh, goodness. Next, we do a fitting. Trim it if you have to. And add the icing there. Buttons and the bow tie. The bow tie we're gonna cover with fabric as well. Next, we cut some suspenders as well. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be one sexy guy. Next, we're gonna use Mod Podge to attach the fabric. If you have any excess, you can remove it with some detail scissors. These pink ones are from Dollar Tree. And at the end, you do one more top coat of Mod Podge on everything. And then use hot glue to attach the other parts. Then I use a Sharpie marker to draw the eyes and the mouth, drop of white paint, and I use my own blush for the rosy cheeks. And a drop of red paint, smudge with your finger. And here you can see it one more time because I gotta repeat the same process for a girl. All right, let's get the girl fitted for her dress. Oh, I shouldn't have drawn between the legs, so good that it's a pencil. I erased that and cut out just a straight line across. You're gonna have to fold it in half and cut an opening at the neck at the top. Adjust the skirt length for the icing on the legs. And then attach the fabric with the Mod Podge and cover it one more time on top. And then you attach the rest with hot glue. Next, I decide to add this ribbon as a trim at the bottom of the skirt. I want them to match, so I go back to the boy and I'll add this as a belt. All right, let's put together the house now. Next, I decide to add 2 Christmas tree ornaments. They come in a pack of 5. I'll paint them green and attach them on both sides of the door. And then you turn the house and you're gonna attach the popsicles in the back. Next step is totally optional. I got this caulk and the cake decorating kit from the Dollar Tree, and I want to add some more icing to my decorations. I'm going to use the smaller flower tip, fill the bag with caulk, and just go across the roof, just like so. And then switch the small tip and go around the head, if the bird doesn't bother me too much. And then with the leftover, you can cover the arms and legs as well. And then finally, you can add the bow on girl's head, and look how cute! And then whatever icing you have left over, you can cover the windows and, you know, the snow piles at the door, whatever. Also add some edging at the top of the roof. And I just remember I have some spray glitter. I take it outside and give it a nice generous coat. And oh my goodness, I think it takes the whole creation to another level. Once everything is dry, I decide to add a set of these Dollar Tree LED lights. What a great value for $1. You have to space them out. Like I take the first light and the last one and I attach it to the top of the trees, and then the remainder, like 4 on each side of the roof. I hang them just underneath the roof, you know how you would do on your own house. And you're going to attach the battery pack in the back with the button facing up, so it's easy to turn it on and off. And now let's put it all together in a centerpiece. And I'm going to use an old tray that I already have. If you don't have one, you can get one at a Dollar Tree. You're also going to need some floral foam or a pool noodle. You know I love to use pool noodles instead of floral foam because you just get more for $1. And I'm so excited to see that Dollar Tree is bringing out Christmas colors in pool noodles. How amazing is that? They had them for Halloween and now again Christmas. So looks like they're gonna sell them year round now. Maybe they watch DIY. I used them in the past not just for centerpieces but also to create wreaths and mailbox decor and other arrangements. For today's centerpiece, you're gonna need some greenery. And I have some old leftover garland here that I'm gonna use. You really can use anything you have. Be on the lookout for the beautiful greenery at a Dollar Tree. Look how gorgeous is this frosted branch. Unfortunately, it was the last one in my store. I missed out. But I found some beautiful eucalyptus. They have it in different colors. I just love it. What a great value. Also, you're gonna need some ornaments, and 5 for $1 doesn't get better than that, right? I love these. And you're gonna need a color coordinating ribbon. Well, I have to tell you, this is the best value on ribbon at the Hobby Lobby. Every other week, it's on sale for $3.50, and you get 75 feet for $3.50. At a Dollar Tree, you get 9 feet $1. You would wind up paying $8, so what a value. First, you cut your foam to size and attach it to the tray. Then you insert the house in the center. Next, using these wood cubes, you're gonna attach the gingies. And I'm gonna place them diagonally in the corners on the left and on the right side of the house, just like so. I think this is perfect. And I like how proportional now they are to the size of the house. It was just made too small for them. Next, we're going to add a garland and start covering that pool noodle. And in this case, I'm not going to worry about the back because I'm using this arrangement with the back to the wall. It's perfect for a buffet table, kitchen countertop, front entry, that type of place. Next, we're going to make a bow for the center. A very simple bow. I'm measuring 7-inch tail. Then I'm measuring 9 inches folded in half. That's about 4.5-inch loop. Again, 9 inches folded in half, pinch. And there you go. One loop at the top, one at the bottom. Another 9 inches folded in half. That's 3 loops. I think this is the biggest I can go in that centerpiece. Again, 9 folded in half, so we have 4 loops here. 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom. And now we're gonna cut off the tail. Again, about 7 inches, no bigger than that. And now we're just gonna tie it together with a floral wire. Just give it a few good twists and straighten this out. So as you can see, this is a 4-loop, 2-tail bow. Very simple, and I think I want to add another bow on top of it. I'm going to use that red ribbon that we use as a trim for our gingerbreads. And I'm doing exact same thing. 7-inch tail, then measure 9.5, fold it in half, that's 4.5-inch loop. And the only thing I'm going to do here is just 3 loops, not 4. And just for a change. You do whatever you guys like, but here is the 3 loops and 2 tails. And it's all pinched in the middle, and I'm going to use the floral wire that's already there on the top of that ribbon and just tie it all together. Okay, and now just fix it up a little bit and we're done. This is a pretty simple bow. It's pretty and simple. Remember, we made these before. And we're gonna tie it over here in the center to one of the greenery branches. And fluff it up. I feel like it's maybe still a little bit big. Maybe I should have made 4-inch loops. Depending on the size of your tray, guys, you gotta figure this out, what will work for you. And now we're just gonna fold the ends and cut the fishtails. Next, we're gonna cut 2 pieces of ribbon about 18 to 20 inches long, and we're gonna add them on the side. Just use the bristles to tie it down. Make a loop and tie down the other end. And do the same thing on the opposite side. And again, if it bothers you, cover up that back with the greenery. I know mine is going to be against the wall and it's fine. And now, time for the cherries on the top. The ornaments. We're gonna add 2 on each side, and since we have 1 extra, we're gonna place it in the center. Beautiful, right? Now let's cut apart the greenery and just finish this off. Add some eucalyptus around the bow. Some on the sides. And now that glittery branch really ties it all together beautifully now.
this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Those likes really help me out. And if you are not a subscriber yet, please subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you hit the little notification bell, you're going to be notified when I'm back here with a new video. So thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Rocking around Christmas tree at the Christmas party.